this video, we'll go over how to access the advanced yield calibration numbers on a John Deere S600 series combine with a 2630 display. If you have a calibration that has worked well for you or is very accurate, you can access those numbers that it used to make that calibration for the next season or the next crop year or whatever it might be. So we can go to our bottom right-hand menu. We'll select our combine icon, then select our calibrations icon, and in our drop-down menu, we'll scroll down and select yield. We'll hit the next icon. Then we'll select the center scale icon. Then on the right, we'll have the double arrows. We'll select those. Then we can select a single or a multi-point calibration. If it's a multi-point, and this is a calibration right now that works well for us, we want to note down these numbers for the next season or for this crop type again. The C11 number is the master number it's calculated, so you'll write that down as a C11. And if you hit the next page, this is all the numbers it used for the different positions to create the algorithm to come up with that 2878. So you can take a picture of that, screenshot it, write them all down, whatever it might be for that crop type. And then you can manually input these in the same page just by selecting the box and punching them in. And then it will give you the same calibration numbers for the next season if you want all the work of creating a calibration that worked really well in a specific crop type. From there, you can just hit the enter icon. It'll go back to your main screen and you're good to go.